You mentioned some of the things you could stimulate the vagus nerve naturally, like the cold plunges or the cold showers. What are some other things people can do that can help to stimulate the vagus nerve?
So if we want to talk about some other things too that you hear about, or what I call the vagus nerve lifestyle in terms of just things you can do yourself. I mean, we know that gargling like basically 60 seconds, can be really powerful because when you gargle, the nerve that allows you to gargle is very, very close to the vagus nerve too as well. So you can actually activate your vagus nerve. The most beautiful thing about these nerves in your brain is that they're neighbors. So when you activate one neighbor, you activate the next neighbor. And that's what like gargling will do. Okay. There's also like another nerve that we can activate that is very powerful too. You can also work on, it's really, work on, we call your balance. Okay. People realize, what does balance have to do with my vagus nerve? Right. Well, when you work on your balance, okay, you activate a nerve called cranial number 8. Well, that nerve helps improve balance and coordination, but it also has a connection to the vagus nerve because they're neighbors again. So when you activate this particular nerve or this particular neuron, well, number 10, cranial number 10, which is the vagus nerve, they're so close to each other, let's say I'm going to wake you up too. So, we see it all the time in our practice. When people work on their balance, we can see changes in their vagus nerve response. How he starts to go down.
So a really good exercise for people to be able to do would be the home rebounders, the small rebounders.
Yep. I mean, just simple. I mean, because we know that, we hear about things, to me, it's important. Yes, we know about cold plunges, we know about the gargle, we know about the meditation, but, there's so many things in our nerves, especially where the vagus nerve is located and other nerves around it that you could stimulate. I mean, like you just said, the rebounder is powerful, but also even ultimately, this is what I call, ultimately the CEO of your brain is what? Your frontal lobe, okay? Your prefrontal cortex. That basically dictates everything, right? Because the frontal lobe helps you with learning, helps you with memory, your emotional regulation, but also has a powerful, powerful stimulation to your brainstem where we find the vagus nerve and other nerves too as well. So sometimes, I always tell a lot of my patients, like, if you can activate your prefrontal cortex, you actually can help your vagus nerve too as well and regulate your autonomic nervous system. So maybe you start to feel a little bit off. Well, if I activate my frontal lobe, I can feel myself feel calmed down. I can bring myself to a lower level so I'm more relaxed.